be swapping over a couple of boxes on our hives today. It's a beautiful morning, starting to warm up a little bit, which is nice, and we're going to be swapping over boxes on both of these hives. So they are chock-a-block, so it is a bit overdue. We'll clean them up, tidy them up, swap some new frames in, and get ready to extract some honey. Nice successful operation, beautiful morning, all the hives are cleaned up. New boxes, frames are back in, bees are settled down. And time to extract the honey very shortly. Try out the new electric spinner. Okay, we are just about to fire up the new spinner. The honey is, wow, tastes like toffee. So I'd be very curious, totally different from the last one that we had. So I'd be very curious to see the outcome. Last one was really dark. It was out in the forestry, a lot of ironbark. This one is primarily fruit trees and floral all around our gardens. So very excited to see the end result. Spinner's working a treat. Working a treat. Well, that's the end of these guys. Spinner did a fantastic job. Wife's going to get the beeswax and make some candles and bits and pieces, which should be pretty cool. It's chock-a-block. Not a bad outcome. Just about to settle in tonight and run it through some muslin cloth before we jar it up. Just going to run the honey through some muslin cloth. This time around the honey is a much more golden colour to our last one, and it tastes like a toffee, very sweet.